Hello everyone, nice to see you guys today. This is Mrs. Chen, and today we're going to learn about how to find whole number quotients and remainders. And today's objective is I can solve for quotients and remainders using equations and mental math. And now you will need a piece of blank paper and pencil, a whiteboard, and a marker. I will give you 1 minute to go get those materials. Okay, and let's start with 57 divided by 3. Okay, and so which means we're divide 57 into 3 equal groups. So we're breaking 57 into tens and ones first. So 57 is 5 tens, 7 ones. Okay, and let's represent that in the place value chart first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for ones. Okay, one more. Okay, and because we're breaking into three equal groups, and I will draw 3 groups underneath of it. 1, 2, and 3. So this is my first group, and second and third group. Okay, and let's divide 5 tens first. We're divide 5 tens first because when we divide, we always start with the larger unit. And also when we divide the tens first, because we may need to have to change tens for ones. And so 5 tens divided by 3. That will be 1 10 in each group. And let's cross out 3 tens. And the remainder is 2 in tens place. Okay, and how do we divide the remainder 2 tens? And we can unbundle the 2 tens as 2 20 ones. So how many ones do we have altogether? So let's draw 20 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're unbundle 2 tens into 20 ones. So how many ones do we have? We have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 20 plus 7, that gives us 27. And so you know the 3 facts. So use some mental math. So what is 27 ones divided by 3? It will be 9. So each group will have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so each group we have 19, 1 10, and 9 ones. Okay, and let's start doing the standard algorithm. So 57 divided by 3. So using the place value chart on the right side, we're putting 1 up here because each group we only can get 1 10, and the remainder is 2 tens. Oh, yeah, 3, and remainder is 2 tens, and that will give us 27, which is right here, 27. And 3 times 9, that is 27. And we don't have any remainders, so give us 0. So 57 divided by 3, that equals 19, which is our answer. Okay, and let's try to do 86 divided by 5. So 86 can also represent 8 tens, 6 ones. And let's present on the place value chart first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, 6 ones. And we're breaking into 5 groups. So I'm going to draw 5 groups underneath of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is my first group, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we're breaking 86 into 5 groups evenly. Okay, so 8 tens divided by 5 equals 110 for each group. So we're crossing out 5, and the remainder is 3 tens. And we're moving, we're unbundle 3 tens to 30 tens, 30 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's 30 plus 6? That is 36. So we have 36 ones right now. And what's 36 divided by 5? Use your mental math. So each group can be 7 ones. 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then okay, and what's 5 times 7? 35. And 36 minus 35, we have 1 remainder. So we still have, we're crossing this all out, and we have 1 remainder right here. So let's put down the standard algorithm. 86 divided by 5. Then we're putting 1 for the quotient, because we only can put 110 for each group. 5 and 8 minus 5, that is 3. And 30 plus 6, we have 36 right here. And we put 7 because we only can put 7 ones in each group. And 5 times 7, that is 35. And the remainder, that is 1. So 86 divided by 5, that gives us 17, remainder 1. Okay, and let's see the last question. 74 divided by 8. Okay, same right here. So 74 can also write as 7 tens, 4 ones. Okay, and let's present on the place value chart right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And we're breaking into 8 groups. So I'm gonna draw 8 groups underneath of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay. So since we're let's do the larger unit first, and we're breaking 7 tens into 8 groups. So 7 divided by 8, and I realize I don't have enough tens for 8 groups. So we'll put nothing for the tens. So we don't have anything for tens, and let's unbundle each tens into ones. So will give us 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give us 70. So everything that unbottled from 7 tens to 7 71s. So we have 70 ones plus 4 ones. We have 74 right now, right here. And use your mental math. So 74 divided by 8. Which number can we get for each group? Okay, we can do 8. We can do 9. So 8 times 9, that gives us 72. And what's 74 minus 72? That is 2. So we can cross all of them out, and the remainder is 2. So each groups can be 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each group that has 9 ones. And let's try to solve in the standard algorithm. So 74 divided by 8. Let me erase this one first. Okay, so we're putting nothing for the tens place for the quotient because 7 is less than 8 and we cannot divide that. And let's put 9 for the ones. And 9 times 8, 7 equals 72. And the remainder is 2. So 74 divided by 8, that gives us equals 9, remainder 2. So this is our answer. Okay, and now it is your turn. I will give you about 6 minutes for you to solve the problem. And remember to use the place value chart on the right side. And we will come back and go over the answers. Okay, and let's start with the first one. So 91, we can also write as 9 tens and 1 and 1 1. Okay, so let's first present on the place value chart. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 tens and 1 1. Okay, and we're breaking into 6 groups, and I'm going to draw 6 groups underneath of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, so let's start from the larger units first. So 9 tens divided by 6. So what can we get? We can get 1 10 for each group. 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, so we're giving away 6 tens. We can cross them out. Oops, I crossed one more. Okay, and we have 3 tens left, and we can unbundle them into 31s. So we have 31s, and we already have 1 in the place value chart. So what's 30 plus 1? That is 31. Okay, and use your mental math. 31 divided by 6. What can we give ones to each group? So we can do 6 times 5. That gives us 30. So we can give 5 ones to each group, and the remainder will be 1. So we can cross the 30 off, and the remainder will be 1. So each group will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Like this. Oops, let me erase this. Okay, and let's write this in the standard algorithm. So 91 divided by 6, and we're putting 1 for the tens place of the quotient, because we can only give 1 10 to each group. And 9 minus 6, that gives us 30. 90 minus 60 give us 30. So 30 plus 1, that is 31, which is we have right here. And we put 5. And this is the largest number we can give to the ones place for each group. So 5 times 6, that gives us 30. And the remainder is 1. So 90 divided by 6 equals 15, remainder 1. Okay, and let's look at the second one, 91 divided by 7. So 91, same as the first one, they all have the same number. So we can also write this down like present 9 tenths and 1 1. And but it's it wants to break into 7 groups. So let me draw 7 groups underneath of it. So use the color. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 group. Okay, and start from the larger units. What's 9 divided by 7? So each group we can give 1 10 to them. 7. So we can cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 2 remainder, like 2 tenths remainder. And we can unbottle them and to 21s. So 20 plus 1, that gives us 21. And 21 divided by 7. Use your mental math. So 21 divided by 7 give us 3. 7 times 3 is 21. So each group we can give 3 ones, and with no remainder left. Okay, and let's try to write this in the standard algorithm. 1 divided by 7. And we put 1 because this is the largest number we can give to the tens place. And 9 minus 7, that is 2. 2 tenths. 2 tenths plus 1, that is 21. And we'll put 3. 3 times 7, that is 21 as well. And 21 minus 21, that is 0 left. So the answer for this one is 13. Okay, right now for the rest of the question, let's just try to use the standard algorithm instead of putting the dots inside the place value. Let's try to solve them. So 87 divided by 3. So use your mental math. What is the largest number can we use 8 tenths breaking into 3 groups? Let's try 2 because 3 times 3, that is 9, and 9 is bigger than 8. Then let's try 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. And 8 tenths minus 6 tenths, that gives us 2 tenths. And 2 tenths plus 7, that is 27. And what is 27 divided by 3? 3 times 9 is 27. So 27 minus 27, that is 0. We don't have any remainder for that. So 87 divided by 3, that give us 29. Okay, we're doing great so far. And let's try for the fourth question. Also, only use the standard algorithm this time. 87 divided by 6. Okay, and what is the biggest number can we break 8 into 6 groups? 1 times 6, that is 6, and 2 times 6, that is 12, and 12 is bigger, much larger than 8, so let's only put 1. 1 times 6, that is 6, so 8 tenths minus 6 tenths equals 2 tenths, and 2 times plus 7 ones, it is 27. And how many can we break into 6 groups for 27? Let's see. Okay, so let's try 4. 4 times 6, that is 24, but 5 times 6, that is 30, and 30 is bigger than 27, and let's just put down 4. 24, and 27 minus 24, the remainder it is 3. So our answer can be 14, remainder 3. And the remainder has to be smaller than the number we're dividing. Okay, and let's try the number 5. Only use the standard algorithm. Okay, so 94 divided by 8. So let's put 1, because 2 times 8, it is 16, and 16 is bigger than 9. And for 8, so 9 tenths minus 8 tenths, that give us 1 tenth. And 1 tenth plus 4, that is 14. And how many can we break into 8 groups for 14? So 2 times 8, that is 16, is still bigger than 14. So let's put 1 for 8. For 14, then 14 minus 8, that is 6. And 6 is smaller than 8, so it's okay. We're doing, which means we're doing correct. So this answer, 98 divided by 8, 94 divided by 8, that is 11, remained 6. Okay, and last one, 94 divided by 6. Okay, we're also putting 1 on the top because 2 times 6, 12. 12 is larger than 9. And put 6. So 9 tenths minus 6 tenths, that give us 3 tenths. And 3 tenths plus 4 ones, that is 34. And what number can we put for the quotient? 6 times 6, that is 36. Close, but it's still bigger than 34. So let's try something less. 5. Let's try 5. 5 times 6, that is 30. And 34 minus 30, that gives us 4. And 4 is less than 6, means I'm doing correct. So our answer is 15, remained 4. So these are the answers for the exit ticket. Okay, and that's all for today. It's really simple and quick lesson. And here are some resources as usual. The first one is from online math, and that is it shows you the step-by-step solution and give you some practice problem. You can always track your step and answer after you finish this, after you've finished practicing. And the second one, that is called Splash Learn. It gives you some games. I think this website is really cool. Like it's loading right now. So for this one, it's only 2 digits by 1 digit without remainders. And the question is, which number is divisible by 8? So you have to think, oh, like is 97 divisible by 8, then you have to calculate by yourself. And is 88 divisible by 8? And yes, so because 8 times 11, that is 88. Then if you click the answer you think that is correct, and it will directly tell you, hey, which one is correct. And it gives you more answers and more questions. Okay, and I will see you next time. Okay, and have a great day. Bye, guys.